Hi everyone, my name is Shai Berkenblit. I'm a product manager of SAP Business One, specializing in the extensibility area. In this video, I will show how to use user-defined values. Let's start with an example. I have a user-defined value that is defined in the sales quotation form. So let's open the sales quotation, select a business partner, and select an item. In our example, we have user-defined values defined on the discount percent field. By default, the discount percent is 0, and you can see the total is 600. We have here two user-defined fields. The first one is coupon, and it is linked to a user-defined table. The second one is manual discount, which is a numeric field. You can see the discount percent field is updated with the sum of these two fields. Before we look at the user-defined value definition, let's take a closer look at the coupon field. This field is linked to a user-defined table. Let's see the content of this table. We have code, name, and discount percent columns. The table name is coupons. To get the discount percent, we will use a SQL query on this table. Let's add our own coupon to this table. We'll call it my coupon, and it will have a 50% discount value. To see our newly added coupon, we'll have to update this table, close the sales quotation form, and reopen it so the values will be refreshed. So we will open it again, select a business partner and an item. We can open the coupon field and see our newly added coupon. The next thing I want to show is the query that is used for the user-defined values. In our example, we will show how to reference UI elements in our SQL query. Let's open the query that is used for our user-defined values. When the query is loaded, the system tries to run it. In our query, the result is an error. This is because this query has references to UI elements that are not open. You can see a similar query without UI references that returns the correct value. The $sign is used to indicate UI reference. It is followed by the element code, which you can see by clicking on View System Information. Finally, we can open the user-defined values and see how the query is used. Let's open the user-defined values setup. We have three options. The first one is the default one, which is not to use any user-defined values. The second one allows you to define user-defined values in a list that the user can choose from. In the third option, we can use user-defined queries and UI triggers for more sophisticated operations. The auto refresh checkbox allows you to use UI triggers. We can use up to 5 UI triggers to trigger the user-defined value. In our case, we use two triggers, the coupon field and the manual discount. To select the query, we use the Open Saved Query button. Here you can see the query that we are using. And if you want to change the fields which trigger the user-defined value, you can do it by clicking on the drop-down list and selecting a field that you want to use as a trigger. So in this video, we learned how to use advanced features of user-defined values. We learned how to add business logic into our existing forms using user-defined values that rely on queries, UI triggers, and user-defined fields. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks a lot for watching.